Hi there, Kim here. Hope you're doing really fantastically well and we're having lovely weather, which is awesome. I just fixed my camera. Basically, I want to do bell sleeves, medieval style. And I've seen online people are doing a historical way of doing things, right? But I'm not doing it that way. I want to do an adjustable sleeve where you can take it off, wear it with whatever outfit that you want, have it up at the arm up here or down at your elbow. And I'm going to use, wait for it, elastic, just to grip it up here. And I'll show you my design. This is it here. So basically, this is a top that I already have, right? And the skirt. Maybe put it there so you can see it better. And the sleeve is the bell sleeve, but it's going to be opened here so that I just want to see the arm. Some people close this seam, but I want to keep it open, so we're having it this shape. So this will be like a rectangle shape of the cloth, and we're going to curve it here and put the lace around the edge, but I don't want to put the lace here on this seam. Just I want to keep it open, and I think we're too bulky anyway. So this is what it's going to be like, I hope. Okay, so I'll show you the material right now. So it's like a lovely paisley type design. I think it's really pretty, so I can't wait to get using this. And this is the lace. This is the lace here, so I'm going to put it on the edge around the bell shape, so I can't wait to do that. So I hope you come with me on this journey doing bell sleeves. I used to do stitching and that there when I was younger, and I worked as a sample cutter, so I'm not going to use a pattern for this. I'm just going to cut it out and see how we get on. Oh, by the way, I'd be doing it by hand because my machine is ancient and it probably doesn't work anymore. So come with me and see what happens.